Roofstock One Real Estate Investment App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Roofstock One and related resources can be found in the description below. Roofstock One is an innovative real estate investment platform designed to make it easier for accredited investors to gain fractional ownership in single-family rental homes without the challenges of direct property management. By combining accessibility, diversification, and expert management, Roofstock One stands out as an excellent tool for building a hands-off real estate portfolio. One of the standout features of Roofstock One is its fractional ownership model. Instead of buying an entire property, investors can purchase shares in single-family rental homes, gaining exposure to the income and appreciation of the properties. This significantly lowers the barriers to entry for real estate investing, making it an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolios without the need for substantial upfront capital. Roofstock One focuses on professionally managed income-generating properties. The platform handles all aspects of property management, including tenant placement, maintenance, and rent collection. This makes it ideal for investors who want exposure to real estate without the hands-on responsibilities typically associated with owning rental properties. The platform provides diversification opportunities, allowing investors to spread their investments across multiple properties and locations. By doing so, you can reduce risk while taking advantage of different market dynamics. Roofstock One's team also carefully curates properties, ensuring they meet strict criteria for quality, location, and potential returns. Roofstock One is backed by data-driven insights. Investors have access to detailed financial metrics, property histories, and market trends to make informed decisions. This transparency is invaluable, especially for those new to real estate investing or those looking to optimize their portfolio. While Roofstock One offers many benefits, it's important to note that it's limited to accredited investors and requires a multi-year investment horizon. As with any real estate investment, there are inherent risks tied to market fluctuations and property performance. In conclusion, Roofstock One is an excellent platform for accredited investors seeking a passive and diversified approach to real estate investing. Its fractional ownership model, professional management, and curated property selection make it a standout choice for anyone looking to add real estate to their portfolio. Check the links in the description to explore Roofstock One and see if it aligns with your investment goals. This review should clarify whether Roofstock One is the right tool for your real estate strategy.